This is beautiful. Look how it sounds. Look at this. Oh, that sounds like a stainless steel right there. Woo, that sounds so sexy right there. Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a different video. I've been off for a while, but hey, I've been busy with work. I've been busy moving. Y'all can see me right now. I'm in my living room / dining room. Like, I'm all over the place right now with my videos. This is gonna be crazy. I'm all over, but be patient. Alright, my room is getting fixed upstairs right now. Most of y'all never seen me before because I do a lot of video, a lot of reaction. But today, we're going to be doing this quick connect right here. Automatic quick connect right here. It just came out Friday. I'm shooting this video Saturday. This is crazy. This is unbelievable. I think it came out a couple days ago. I don't know. But I know it's brand spanking new because I've been looking all over for this right here. And they finally dropped this. This gun right here. It's a quick connect, stainless steel, but ain't nothing better than this. Is gonna be the new thing right now, especially with this gun right here. Call a spade, right? This is trash. Look, trash. I gotta bring this in because I'm still under warranty. I got 3 years. They want me to go to a shop that fix Ryobi stuff, and I gotta bring my pressure washer, everything that came with the box. I gotta bring it. I don't know why, because all I want is this replaced, this right here, because I got a leak already. I used it 3 times. All right, enough talk. There's another video for this if you want to know, because I got the 1800 1.8 GPM automotive pressure washer from Ryobi. That's a beast. Pressure washer is a beast. I'm thankful that I got my hands on it when it first came out. I did have a video, but I didn't edit it yet because I've been busy, like I said. That unit is special to me because my son bought it for me. When I moved from out of state to here, that's the first thing he bought for me was the Ryobi, and it just came out and he happened to got it for me. And right now, it's sold out everywhere. But that's another story. I'm gonna tell you that in another video. But today we're talking about these McKillans automatic quick connect. I've been looking all over for these. All over, because Josh, his gun, he got a quick connect on here. He got an automatic quick connect. I don't know how he get it, but you know, he got the connection, he got the plug. So I mean, shout out to him because everybody's gonna be doing this right now. You just gotta push it in, then boom, it's already there. Instead of you have to pull this back right here, or with your thumb right here, you gotta pull it back one time. Like, don't get it wrong. These essential washer, this stainless steel is amazing. But this right here is the new thing. Shout out to Keith, man. It's like, as soon as he dropped this video, I feel so bad. As soon as he dropped the video about the same thing about this, the automatic quick connect, McKillans dropped this right here. I'm telling you, everybody in the industry of detailing is looking for this right now to put on their pressure washer gun. McKillans coming through. I appreciate that. It was crazy because I just looked all over for it. Don't mind the noise back there. My wife cooking. Echo, everything is everywhere. It's not. I'm gonna get another one of these, but not this though. It's gonna be a 3/8. It's gonna go to my pressure washer hose because I gotta still braid the hose. It's gonna be from McKillans too. Let's get right into it, man. Right here, I'm about to show y'all what's in the box. You know, the instruction. Y'all know here. I got you. I ain't forget. Right there. It tells you, remove the old coupler. Remove plastic. You already know. Clean the thread. Look at this. Look how beautiful it looks. It's amazing. This is my first McKillans stuff I bought. It just came out with this. But so far, it is heavy. It's well built. Well machined. This look amazing. Look at that. You can tell that it's new because it's green. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. This side it is green. I'm going to show you how to take it off. I mean, y'all know how to take it off, but this is what I'm talking about right here. Alright? This is the purpose of the video right here. Alright? The purpose of the video. Pop. Look at that. Right in. And look when you take it out. Woo! Oh my God, I gotta go get my phone camera in a little bit. But this is the original one. It's been out for centuries. Pull 2 finger or 1 finger like this. I don't know, I can't see it. Pull 1 finger, then you gotta drop 1 finger, Boom. Then you gotta make sure it's sealed, make sure it click, and then it stays on. If not, it's gonna be a bad day for you, my guys. That's one thing. You can't cheap out on your quick connects. If y'all cheap out on your quick connects, it's gonna be just like this right here. This Ryobi, it is dog. It is trash. I'ma say it, bro. It's trash. The gun is nice and all, but this quick connect right here, look at this. It is rusted already. I used it 3 times. Like, this is horrible, Ryobi. Give us stainless steel like this. We need that. Because this lasts me 3-4 wash. And it's over with. I have to go buy this right here. Like, that's sad, man. And it's good. They're going to replace it for me. But why do I have to bring all my stuff to the shop that only thing y'all fixing is this? This right here. Why? Another story. My bad. I'm getting carried away. My fault. Alright. Let's go. I'm going to show y'all how to take this out. Most of y'all already know. This size right here is 13/16. Some of y'all gun might be different. I don't know. But mine is 13/16. It's a millimeter bigger than a 3/4. But this is how I'm going to do it my way. Everybody got their own way. It ain't got to be my way. And I don't got 13/16. Guess what I'm using? An adjustable wrench. Go ahead, y'all can cook me. Come on, cook me. I'm about to face the camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. And after that, it should be straight. And I forgot, it comes with a Teflon tape, which I'm gonna use because I don't got a Teflon tape. So, man, this is nice. This is beautiful. Beautiful. What's included and everything right there. It tells you. Built. Look at that. That's what I love right here, man. I appreciate these boxes. I appreciate all this right here. Well-built quality, you know? I could wait 3 months for this. I don't care. As long as, you know what I mean, it's nice. All right, now I'm about to show you. I'm about to face the camera down this way, and hopefully y'all can hear me. All right, y'all ready? Come on. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm about to take this off. My adjustable wrench. Easy with adjustable wrench. Look at that. I put a tape. The reason why I put a tape, I don't want to scratch the stainless steel right here, even though you're gonna scratch it anyways, but hey, that's to be safe than sorry, right? Don't mind my wife cooking back there, don't worry. It smells good right now. All right, let's go. You gotta do it clockwise. I don't know about y'all gun, but just do it softly. I don't know if y'all is counterclockwise or anything. So let's take it out right now. Let's see. Hold the gun tight. That's why I was doing it in the living room, because I ain't got no sturdy table upstairs. Yep. Clockwise. It's clockwise right here. It's going this way. Right now I'm loosening it. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. I'm new with this stuff. Make sure you take your time. That's the main thing. Make sure you take your time. Do not rush it at all. It's coming out. It's coming loose. I'm telling you, I'm keeping this stainless steel right here. Essential washer, they make good quality too. See, now it's out. Look at that. This is a well-built stainless steel from Essential Washer. Shout out to them. I love it. I'm going to keep this. This is amazing. This is how it should look. You know, it got the swivel, you know. Nice. That's it right here. Alright, here's the first thing I'm going to do. Take this out. You already know the GOAT, the McKillans. Shout out to McKillans, man. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all for this, man. Right there. I'm going to do a Teflon tape. They say wrap around, what, 3 times? Yep, wrap 3 turns. 3 times, 3 turns, whatever you want to call it. All right? So don't cook me with this, but let's go. Counterclockwise, because you want the Teflon tape. You want to thread it. You don't want to go the opposite, because if you do the opposite, the thread's going to fall off. So if we go this way, wrap your Teflon tape this way. 3 wraps. That's it. 3 wraps. Should be good. 1, 2, 3. Then just pull it. That's 3 wrap right there. Alright, inspect it. Make sure everything is clean. Make sure you know you don't block the holes. I know I'm probably doing it wrong, but hey, this is my way to do it, so I don't know. Then you already know. You put this in. Counterclockwise. No, this is Yeah, counterclockwise. There we go. There we go. I'm so excited, bruh. Alright. Trying to tighten as much as you can with your hand. Alright, that's how I look right now. Now I'm about to tighten it. I don't know what size is this, but let's see. There you go. That's why I like the adjustable wrench. I use the adjustable wrench. And now I'm just tightening it. And you want to use your pressure with the gun, just push it up to help you. Or not, just leave it down here. If you got a wrench, it's better. That's right there. I'm going to do it probably one more turn, and it should be straight. Make sure it's flat, then twist. One more turn, like a half a turn to secure it. And then it should seal the deal. Boom. That's it. Nothing showing. Look at that. Probably a little bit, but that's fine. If it is leak right there, just take it back out and re-Teflon tape it, or you tighten it some more. You know what I mean? And here's how it look right here. Just like this. Don't make it too complicated. This is the most easiest thing you could do to your upgrade. Most easiest thing. Well, quick connect, but this right here is easy. See, now look at it. Look how it look. It look beautiful. Oh boy, I can't wait to use this. Look at that. Beautiful. Now all you gotta do, here we go. Bop. It look good, it feel good. Look at this. This is one thing I love about this. I'm trying to catch it and look at the camera at the same time. Ha ha! This is beautiful. Look how it sounds. Look at this. Ooh, that sounds like a stainless steel right there. Ooh, that sounds so sexy right there. I got the pressure on. You know what I mean? It's leaking. It's leaking. No leak. It's from the water. See, no leak. Nice and neat. You know what I mean? No leak. No leak at all. No leak nowhere. Got to still braid the hose, so I just bought these too. It shouldn't be leaking nowhere. See, no water. Try to 25 degrees. I love this shit right here. Even though, let me see, it's a little bit longer. Look, let's measure. A little bit longer, but hey, I take that. This is amazing, man. This is the best upgrade you can do to your gun. I'm telling you, I've been looking all over for this gun right here. And for this 1/8 connector right here. I'm so happy. Make sure you don't make this hard on yourself. You see how simple it was? Really simple. So this is it. I will see you guys in the next one. If you're brand new, most of you guys are, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks you guys for being here. Thanks you, McKillans. And I'm gonna buy some more products from you guys for sure. This is not an ad. This is nothing. I bought this myself. $20. You can't beat it. All right. This is it. Peace.